Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your UAN, Aadhaar, and PAN are ready because the portal cross-checks them. Once logged in with UAN and password, go to the Profile section and select Update Contact Details. You do this now to trigger verification steps. Make sure your Aadhaar-linked mobile can receive OTPs. If not, pause and correct that with UID first. This prevents delays. After selecting Update, enter the new number and request OTP, so you can prove ownership in the next step. Once you've requested the OTP, input the code sent to the Aadhaar-linked mobile and authorize the change. This links your identity to the new number. If the portal asks for employer attestation instead, inform your HR, provide the reference, and ask them to approve the update promptly. Make sure to save or screenshot the transaction reference number. This helps if verification stalls. You should also check your Epfo profile after a few hours to confirm the new number displays correctly. Before proceeding you finish by confirming the updated mobile appears in your Epfo profile and testing OTP-based actions, such as claim initiation. If you don't receive OTPs, make sure Aadhaar still lists the new mobile. If it does not, update with UID first. If problems persist, contact your employer HR with the reference number so they can escalate, or file a grievance on the Epfo portal and note the ticket. This combined approach, Aadhaar check, HR escalation, grievance, resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.